Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about VALORANT. So today I was trying to play VALORANT and I keep on getting this notification, and I'm going to be explaining why this is happening and how to go about it. And servers for VALORANT are currently down, as you keep on getting this notification which says VALORANT is currently offline for scheduled maintenance. Please come back later once service resumes, and it brings logout or quit. So the servers are currently under maintenance as they are doing an update or they are doing a patch. So, and if I go to down detector to see the reports for VALORANT, as you see here, if I check on VALORANT, as you see, it shows user report indicate problem at VALORANT. So if you come down here, you see user reports are over 2k, and that's a lot, and most of them are saying it's mainly about server connection, login and gameplay. So as you see here, the reports from people, as you see, hi, I'm waiting. Many people are like, sending comments on how VALORANT is quite down. And if you go to Twitter, this will quite explain. And you go to the VALORANT official page, as you see, they say the road to campaign continues with patch 5.04. So that's the main reason VALORANT is down. They are doing the patch 5.04 to start for the start of episode 5. And as you see here, new play, as they show a trailer of what is going to be part of the new VALORANT. So currently they are doing a patch for VALORANT, and it's going to go back online as the update is done. So let us wait on that, but currently the servers are down, and we hope that they are going to go back online after the patch. As they release this, they are going to be doing the patch today, which is 23rd, and after that the game is going to go back online soon. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.